The following is a brief introduction and user's guide for the Telestrator. Telestrator is a collaboration tool for communicating visual ideas between distributed team members. As shown here, it allows users to collaborate together using a shared canvas. All users can see what their team members are drawing in real time. This allows teams to brainstorm or conduct design reviews in a visual environment without all being in the same location. Teams can draw on a blank canvas, an imported screenshot, or a captured view of a CAD file. To use the Telestrator, first download the installer. To begin, a user can initialize a new Telestrator session, join an already existing session, or load a saved session. If the user wishes to start a new session, they first enter a name in the session name box. Then they can choose to start with a blank canvas, import a previously saved image by clicking the Browse button, or import a capture of their current screen by clicking the Capture Screen button. The user then enters a username and clicks the Begin Session button. To load a previously saved session, the user selects that option from the drop-down menu, browses for the file name, inputs a username, and begins the session. After starting or joining a session, the user will see this screen. The upper ribbon contains drawing tools on the first tab and audio and microphone options on the second tab. Using these buttons, you can enable or disable your microphone and headphones. The Telestrator drawing tools are designed to be intuitive to use. After a tool is selected, notice the hint that shows up at the bottom of the canvas. With the Telestrator tools, users can draw free-form lines, straight lines, and shapes. They can also insert text and arrows for help in annotating drawings. To edit a free-form line, right-click on it. Here we are going to change the weight to be thicker and the color to be brown. You can edit shapes in a similar way. First, right-click on it. You can move the shapes, resize them, or change their appearance. Editing text works in a similar manner. Keep in mind that when you edit text appearance, you don't have to select all of the letters for the changes to apply. To delete a single object, right-click and select Delete. To delete multiple shapes, select the Erase Shapes button and click and drag. To erase freeform lines, use the Erase Freeform button. Another useful Telestrator feature is the Temporary Draw function. When a user holds down the Control button on the keyboard and draws a line, shape, or arrow, all users can see the object. When the user releases the Control button, the object disappears. To completely clear the canvas of all users' work, use the Clear Canvas button. The power of this software is that it allows users to see what others are drawing in real time, as if they were all standing together around a whiteboard. To see what a specific team member has drawn, click their name in the user list window to highlight their contributions. Also notice that the color of a user's cursor matches the color around that user's name. We hope you enjoy using Telestrator and would love to hear any feedback you have to offer.